Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project Bluetooth module with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need Bluetooth module, jumper wires and an Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per the schematic diagram. Connect the TX pin on the Bluetooth to Arduino Uno pin D2. And connect the RX pin on the Bluetooth to Arduino Uno pin D3. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see if we install the serial Bluetooth terminal app on the other device. Check the Bluetooth module name and connect it with the other device for data transmission. Send a message through the serial Bluetooth terminal app and check whether it is received on the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. Where have you seen this project? Smart home control. Use the Bluetooth module to send commands like turning lights on or off or controlling appliances via mobile app. Thank you.